It's significantly small. Like, look how much. Hey guys, welcome back to Breezy's Puffs. Y'all, I am so excited. I have all the energy because today I am doing a review, a first impression of the RevAir 2.0. Like, I am just so thankful that RevAir picked me as one of the people to have like the first experience using this. Y'all know I am a RevAir advocate for life. Like, I absolutely loved the original machine, so I am so excited to try the new one out.
All right, so I'm gonna start off this video with an unboxing, and let's get into this packaging. Like, it is so cute. It has these like nice little messages inside to get you all excited to open up the RevAir. And as you open it, you get the base and the handle that comes in like these little almost like stocking caps. And as you can see, y'all, the base is 35% smaller than the original base. It literally takes up the same size as like some hot rollers. Like, you could literally fit this right next to your sink. As you can see, it has like metallic accents and it has like a matte black finish, which I absolutely love. It just looks so cute. The handheld part is the same size as the old one, but it does have, you know, the metallic and the matte finish as well. This is a handle you can attach to the base to hold the RevAir. And also the hose is also shorter as well, which I love because that old hose just always, it was hard to store, honestly. So now I'm just putting it together. Again, it's really easy, just like the other RevAir. And I'm just putting in that detachable handle or that detachable holder. And as you can see, the handle fits right onto that holder. So this is what the entire thing looks like. And look at the digital interface, y'all.
So as y'all can see, she has a new digital display. It's the new age, y'all. Like, wow. So I just want to show you guys a comparison of the bases. Ow, my wrist. That's better. Like, it's significantly small. Like, look how much. This one is very heavy. And it usually, you know, is kind of a nuisance to get out when it's time to blow dry my hair. But like, look at that, y'all. And this one is a lot heavier. So I'm gonna put that down and just like, it literally is, I'm so happy. So the actual wands themselves are the same size. However, this one does have like the metallic and matte finish, but the hose is also significantly shorter. It's gonna be really hard to show you guys like the difference in lengths. The hose is at least a few feet shorter, like, so that's also really nice. All right, y'all, so now is the moment of truth. So I'm gonna use it on 7 suction and high heat, because that's what I normally do with the regular RevAir, so we gonna try it out. So it's definitely quieter. Like, you guys can probably actually hear me right now, which is kind of crazy. Y'all, same results, if not better, honestly. Same results. Smaller footprint, smaller base, quieter. RevAir, y'all did it again. I really don't know. Like, I am shook. All right, y'all, so I had to do first piece for my reel, which I included here, but I do want to show y'all in the correct format. Anyways, I want to show you guys what it looks like in landscape mode. So I am actually using, I'm trying a new product. This is the Garnier Fructis Anti-Humidity Smoothing Milk. I'm trying to find some to replace the blow dry smoothing cream I normally use from Renew Queen Essentials until she starts selling that again, because she said she was going to, which would be great. But this is supposed to help with humidity, which is really great because the style I'm doing today is for an outdoor photo shoot. And if I could have less frizz, that would be great. I'm also using my Renewed Queen Essentials heat protectant serum. I don't know if she's gonna start selling that again. I don't need none right now because this heat protectant serum lasts forever. All right, so I am just gonna brush this section a little bit more than I did the last one because there was still a little bit of crinkles. I washed my hair using a Flora and Curl, so that's why like my freaking twists, my curls are really defined from their products, which is hilarious because I'm blow drying my hair so they don't want to like leave. But if you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure you check out one of my shorts or my Instagram because I posted it as an Instagram reel. Yeah, y'all, I have really short hair in the front and I'm trying to grow it out, but you know, it's just there. But anyways, all right, here we go. So as y'all can see, it's not as loud. I can still talk and y'all can still hear me. Like I can hold the whole conversation. I lost power. All right, y'all, so I do have my RevAir plugged into a surge protector, and the surge protector is plugged into the wall. So I'm gonna unplug the surge protector and plug the RevAir into the wall. This usually happens with the other RevAir too. I thought I was testing it out to see if the smaller footprint will help us so that I can still use the surge protector. But it's still a lot of power, so it still won't be able to be in the surge protector, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just plug this light in here into the wall. And yeah, anyways. So just to show y'all what the front of my hair is looking like after RevAiring. It's looking pretty good. I'm also using a new hair product, so my hair feels soft. And yeah, it's pretty much the same results I would get from the last RevAir. So I am thoroughly happy. So those of you that are wondering about the price point, like is it cheaper, is it more expensive? So it's gonna retail for around, it's a little bit more expensive than original RevAir if I'm not mistaken. So this RevAir is gonna retail for $429, but I do have a coupon code. So if you use my coupon code Breezy10, then you can save 10%, which means that you're gonna save $42.90, making the total price to be at $386.10. So you're definitely saving a good amount of money there. So you definitely want to use my code Breezy10. Not only does it save you money, but it also helps me out. It helps my channel. It helps me out a lot. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this blowout and then I'll come back to you guys and give you guys like my overall thoughts. It never fails. Like y'all, these results. And I just trimmed my hair, so like can we just a beautiful blowout every single time, y'all, like every single time. And now as she's smaller, she is quieter, she has a shorter hose, like, and she looks like futuristic into the future, and she gets results like these. Y'all need to check out the RevAir 2.0. Use my code if you decide to try it out. And yeah, that'll be it for this video, y'all. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the fam, make sure to follow me on Instagram at breezyspuffs with 2 S's. Follow me on TikTok, breezyspuffs with normal S. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.